The MSCEIT-2 is the ideal emotional intelligence assessment tool to use when recruiting for emotionally dynamic roles. This assessment is designed to measure an individual's ability to think through and solve problems related to emotions in a variety of scenarios. Studies have shown that the use of the MSCEIT in recruitment can predict positive workplace outcomes in various industries. In healthcare, medical professionals who score higher on the MSCEIT are likely to be more proficient at addressing the needs of patients. In the service sector, those who scored higher on the MSCEIT are more likely to have better interpersonal interactions with customers. And in leadership, leaders with a higher MSCEIT score are more likely to be able to adjust their leadership style and be more effective at engaging and motivating their staff. For more information on the MSCEIT-2, scan the QR code or click the link in the description.